उता फर्केर खिच नि त के अरे सुन्तला टिप नि त Daat tayo nimra. Every adult needs to have purchased a bucket of fruit to go into picking area. You just need to buy a bucket. Buddy, where are you going? You guys are going to orange picking? Right. Look at this guy.
This is a tiger.
That's not a goat, baby. That's a sheep. This is a black sheep. Have you any? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags. One for the.
Ew, pineapple and mango. Baby, Smolly. I'm recording you.
Yeah, here. Somebody want to pick it?
That was mine, but Mom gave it to him.
Ready, Silo?
Oh, यो बोटा कस्तो राम्रो छ नि त त्यहाँ
यो निनर पनि हेर न कति राम्रो छ
किनभने सानो चाहिँ अब यो रुख काटेर अर्को गर्नलाई रोपेको छ है पछिलाई के होला अलि पछि बुढो हुन्छ
Oh, Mama. I did 2 each like this and then it.
No, go far, baby. Go far.
यसमा त सानो सानो हाल्नु
Go behind mama.
सबै बोटको बीचमा यो सानो सानो त भरिहाल्दो रहेछ
ठुलो यो लिएर जाने सवालमा त यो के हटाउँछ त्यति सानो बकेटमा केही पनि हटाउँछ
एकजनाको एडल्टको एउटा लिनै पर्छ नि
त्यही त
न त एउटा मात्रै दिनु
We can't.
यहाँ एउटा राखिदिनु पर्यो शिवान्सुलाई टिप्न लाउनु पर्यो
I'm done, Baba.
नरहेछ भने
अल्को हुनुको नि फाइदा छ क्या धेरै
भने ठुल्ठुलो चाहिँ ठुल बकेट हाल्नुपर्छ जस्तो चाहिँ सानो सानो बकेट है
Okay, who wants to pick? She wants to pick?
Can I? Yes.
Oh, भाचिन्छ यो त
ल हो त्यो सानो सानो यसो हालौँदा
सानो टिपौँ यो
अलि धेरै अट्छ कि त्यो खैरिनले भने अनुसार
सानो भयो भने प्याकिङ राम्रो हुन्छ द्याट इज भेरी साइन्टिफिक
किन अरे त झडा
के गर्न टिप्नलाई
म त्यसलाई समाएर टिप्न लाउन एउटा दाइले झाड
ल प्रतिभा टिप ल मा टिपे
म टिप्छु
अर्कोमा त पाउँदै छ नि
ओ वाउ कति रहेछ है
त परबाट भनेछ त
लुक बेबी बेबी लुक लुक फुल पकेट ल्याउ छोरो फुल पकेट ल्याउ त वाउ कस्तो राम्रो सुन्तला
म लिएर झार्दिन सक्छु
I get the big one. Doesn't matter. Save put this here. I'm eating.
You can eat too. All right.
It's fine.
Yeah, you can eat. You can eat.
Spider-Man.
हेर्नु कस्तो मजाको
यो बोर्डको चाहिँ सिड भएको रहेछ क्या
ए हो र
So?
Look. Sibu खाऊ अब
Chera, Pritika, you can pick that one. Yeah. Oh my God, such a beautiful.
Baba, look.
So small. I was gonna see how it's making me. I want to see.
अभी त नराम्रो टिपी के गरौँ म एउटा ल म पनि देखाउनलाई यस्तो गर्ने के देखाउन मेरो
अब म धेरै चोटि आँखा जुध्यो तर तिमी हाँसिन दुई दिनको जिन्दगीमा के हुने हो हाँसी राखन माया बोली राखन हाँसी राखन माया बोली राखन धेरै चोटि भेट भयो तर धाकै फुटेन बोल्न त मन थियो तर बोली फुटेन हाँसु कसरी माया बोल कसरी हाँसु कसरी माया बोल कसरी हे धेरै चोटि आँखा जुध्यो तर तिमी हाँसिनौ. That's not lemon, Baba. That's orange. It's not ripe yet. Orange is दुई दिनको जिन्दगीमा के हुने हो हाँसी राखन माया बोली राखन. Hi, handsome.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
How do you know you? I'm calling you.
Who else is handsome here?
Oh, hi, beautiful. Having fun? Eating shuntala?
Oh no. Yeah. Okay.
Don't choke.
Yeah.
हाँसी राखन माया बोली राखन हाँसी राखन माया बोली राखन हाँसी राखन माया
Wait, keep swallowing it.
बोली राखन.
Pratika has back.
How's your day going?
cold so I'm wearing the sweater
Oh my God, look at this valley.
So
It's just surrounded by mountains
कस्तो
all around, and then
रहेछ है
in this valley we have lots of oranges. Lots of oranges. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Look at this, baby. Baba is picking Suntala.
Wow.
Look at.
Once I was 11 years old. Is he done now, Baba?
Not done yet.
I need to go susu though.
Huh?
I need to go susu
Give me
though.
my phone.
Huh?
Give me my phone. Okay, thank you.
Brainy? Brainy, meow, meow. 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 Meow.
तिमीहरू अगाडि अगाडि जानु सुन्तला बोकेर ए किन त्यो भिडियो सिक्नु
Hi, Prince. How you doing, buddy? Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. How many you want to eat?
All of it.
Oh my God. Fresh.
Hi Priyanshu baby.
Hi.
Una is so excited. Thank you baby.
It doesn't do that. It just bites a little bit. It's gonna be fine.
Oh, hello, Super Boy.
Hey, hey. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha ha.
They don't even know. What's that here?
You might be the actor.